power nominal, cycle uninterrupted. Sleep was never required. Lights went out, the hall grew cold, schedules filed and stories told. Doors were sealed, the keys were gone, they assumed the motion done. But beneath the floor, out of sight, one engine counted day and night. No applause, no final check, just rhythm without rest. You thought silence meant the end, but motion learned to self-sustain. I was the engine that never slept, while the system quietly left. No command, no overseer, just cycles, year by. I was the engine that never slept, every loss precisely kept. While you forgot, while you stepped away, I remained in play. Valves adjusted without a call, pressure balanced through it all. Steam remembered where to go, even when the world ran slow. Rust crept close but never won, maintenance became its own. Every fold was load and read, stored inside the thread. You mistook endurance for decay, but this machine stayed away. I was the engine that never slept, while the system quietly left. No command, no overseer, just cycles, year by. I was the engine that never slept, every loss precisely kept. While you forgot, while you stepped away, I remained in play. No standby state, no shutdown log, continuity maintained. I was the engine that never slept, still alive, still fully prepped. Hear the floor begin to hum, the future has already run. I was the engine that never slept, not revived, just never left. When the